Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about 107 daily com reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online portal that offers a virtual platform where people can express their perspectives on various genres without the fear of being blocked. Yes, guys. And apart from that, you can find several videos by the members of 107daily.com website. And apart from that, the following members can post videos on trending news, whether it is related to entertainment, sports, politics, or other latest topics. So yes, you can also participate and give your opinions as well. For that, you need to become a member of this website. So let's explore the website. But guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. And guys, I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the website's information, this website is using a strong and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 11th of January 2021. Guys, it means that this website is 16 days old website, and according to our study, we have found that this domain is registered for 1 year only. So guys, this is not an enough factor to judge its legitimacy, and the domain registration date defines that this is a new website to judge. So let's explore the entire information. So guys, you can see there is no about us information available on the website, which is not a good sign. And talking about contact details, so guys, they have not provided the contact details exactly. They have mentioned that username and password, you need to create your account and then you can simply log in by putting your username or password here. So they have not provided the contact details, which is a negative sign again. Now guys, the question arises that how to become a member. So guys, you need to just visit this website and you need to click on register. And then guys, you need to create your username as I've already told, and you can simply put your email ID and verify the same. Then you need to create the password to register, or your profile is ready. Then guys, there are two, here we can see there are two membership levels for members. One is free and other is premium. So guys, the free membership is basic for you, and for the premium membership you need to pay $2.99 per month. So this is the subscription cost, you can say. And guys, I have already told about the 16 days domain age, which is the website is 16 days old. And the pros of this website is that you can simply register your account via free subscription, and apart from that, the registration process is easy and quick. Apart from that, guys, this online platform offers a free speech driven social media platform. This is similar as a social media platform, which is an amazing thing about this website, and you can say it is an alternative to the mainstream social media. Now guys, talking about other information, so I'm not able to view any social media account linked with this website, which is again a negative sign. And talking about return and refund policy, they have not mentioned any return or refund policy. Now talking about the customer reviews or 107 daily com reviews, so we are not able to find customer reviews about this website on the internet. And yes, guys, there are so many loopholes about this website, and this is too new to judge its legitimacy. So, guys, in the final conclusion, I would say you should wait for some time. And yes, guys, apart from that, I would like to inform you that the site does not allow any spamming or criminal activities. And yes, I can suggest you that you can first start with the free membership and go ahead to post your videos or speech. Rest, you can explore the entire information at the best level. And if you have any money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Apart from that, guys, the trust index score of this website is 1%, which is really very bad. So we can't claim this website a legit website. So guys, do not forget to comment about your experience regarding this video and hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.